been a few weeks, but I'm finally gonna put my Echo chainsaw together and see how this puppy works out. Alright, so here it is. We're going to fire this puppy up here in just a minute. I want to tell you guys a quick story of how I got this. I was at the GIE. Echo had a little deal that you fill out. You put your name and number in the drawing, and you win. So I filled my name and my number out. I did the little beanbag toss. I won like a keychain or something. Thought that was it. We left for the day. We went to go eat dinner, and I get this alert on my phone on Facebook from Craig Fox. I appreciate it, buddy. I thank you for letting me know. Without this, I would not have won this. He was there when they drew the winning ticket. The winning ticket was mine, but I didn't put my area code, so they couldn't get a hold of me. And thankfully to Craig, that he got a hold of me through Facebook and told me that I won this. And like I said, without that guy, I probably wouldn't have won this, because I wouldn't have went back. I wouldn't have known. Apparently I need to put this one on a little bit better. It's just the guard that goes right here. Fired it up and it just fell off. Gonna find me some safety glasses and I'm gonna go tear some stuff up. First impressions, I think it's a damn good chainsaw. You might know what kind of bush that is. Cut them puppies down, they come back bigger than ever. Well, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cut this thing down as far down to the ground as I can. Is that just not the funniest thing ever? I'm sitting there chainsawing this thing, cutting it down, and I walk up and I just push it and it falls over because it's rotten underneath. Look at that! That is hilarious. I do have one more of those I want to get cut down. All this time I've been waiting to cut those down. All I had to do was walk over and push them over. pretty cool chainsaw. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this thing. This is the Echo CS590. It's a 20-inch chainsaw. Worked great. I just did a few things in my backyard. 15-20 minutes, but it worked great. So I'm very lucky to have this chainsaw, and I appreciate Echo giving me the chance to win this chainsaw. It's pretty awesome. I can't wait to cut down some big stuff with this.